All right, I'm inside the supermarket. My goal today? Bake a fresh strawberry cake. Let's grab a shopping cart and find the ingredients. First up, flour and sugar. Let's see. I'm walking down the first aisle. Where is the flour? I don't see it. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, of course. The baking items are in aisle 5. Oh, perfect. Thank you very much. Ah, here it is. Flour and sugar, check. Next, I need the dairy section for milk, butter, and eggs. It's usually in the back of the store. Yes, there it is. Let me check the date on this milk. Looks fresh. Into the cart it goes, along with the butter and 6 eggs. Now for the best part, the strawberries. Wow, look at these. They look so bright red and smell amazing. I'll take 2 boxes. All right, my cart is full. Let's head to the cashier. Hi there. That's $18, please. Will you pay with cash or card? Card, please. Great. Just tap right here. And here is your receipt. Have a good one. Thanks, you too. Bye. These grocery bags are heavy. But I have everything. Time to go home and bake. Now, let's see how much you understood. I have 3 quick questions for you. Leave your score in the comments below. Question 1. What am I baking today? A. Chocolate bread or B. Strawberry cake? The answer is B. A strawberry cake. Question 2. Which aisle was the flour in? A. Aisle 5 or B. Aisle 15? The answer is A. Aisle 5. Question 3. How did I pay for the groceries? A. With cash or B. With a card? The answer is B. With a card. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.